Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video we have the Day 1 safe box. Now let's get this thing unboxed and see how it does. Okay, so right away, just getting the box open, we have a little bit of styrofoam, our manual and master keys, and then you can pull the device right out. Alright, and there it is in all of its beautiful glory. The Day 1 safe looks absolutely fantastic. It comes with a nice keypad, warning lights, 2 physical keys that you can use, and a locking and unlocking knob. Also, we have a manual with our 2 keys, so we're going to go ahead and open the safe up for the first time, starting with our physical key here. So you'll just press that little safe tab and it will open up. Turn the key, turn the knob, safe opens. Right away you can see 4 locking bolts, very heavy duty. And we have a built-in key ring, so you can throw your keys in here as well. On the top we have a cover where you can put your AA batteries to operate the front keypad. And we have some removable carpeted shelves that look great. And if you need more space, just go ahead and take them out. And on the bottom here is our accessories, like our fireproof bag, expansion screws just for mounting the unit, and an emergency battery box that we'll talk about in just a second. On the back we have our setting key, which is just a green button that allows you to reset your password on the front keypad. More on that later as well. Okay, now as for the accessories, like I said, these are your expansion screws, just for mounting the device if you would like. Mine's going to be going on the ground, so I don't need that. But this is very important. This is your emergency battery box. So if the AA batteries go bad and you lose your master key, you can use this emergency battery box. You will need to place batteries in this unit, and then you can connect it to the front keypad to give you power in case you lost it. So you can go ahead and just plug that in and then put in your password and the device will open. So it's very helpful in an emergency. Also, we have a fireproof bag. Use this however you'd wish. You can just place documents in it that you don't want to burn up. Zip it closed, and you don't have to worry about that at all. Very nice and a cool feature. Okay, as for the setup, you'll just open up the front door and place in your 4 AA batteries. Once that's done, put the top cover back on and close the device. Okay, once the device is locked, we're going to open it with its default password, which is just 1 through 8, and then press pound. Okay, and right away, when using the default password, we're going to change the password immediately. So once it locks again, we'll open back up, and now go back to where that setting key is and press the green button. You should hear a noise. The warning light will turn yellow on the front keypad, and now you can enter in your new password. You can use between 1 digit all the way up to 8. And when you're done, hit the pound button, and your password is now saved. I will attempt it again just to make sure that it saved correctly, and it did. Green light means you can open the device. Very cool. Okay, just a warning, do not place the keys or the battery box inside the safe. Do not place the keys or the battery box inside the safe. Back to the mounting holes. There's 4 of them here. You would just remove these stickers if you would like to mount the device to a wall. As for space, there's 1.8 cubic feet of space, and you can remove the shelves like I said earlier. Okay, and if you enter the incorrect password 3 times, a warning sound and a red light will appear. Very cool. That'll give you a little warning in case it's been tampered with. Okay, now there are 3 ways to open this safe. Once again, the regular startup way, which is just using your physical key. The second way, which is using the keypad. Very nice. And the third way, which is using the emergency battery box to supply power to the keypad and then using the keypad. Very cool. Well, thank you guys for watching. That was the day 1 safe box, security safe box. Use this thing to store any of your personal goods that you want to be kept very, very safe. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.